Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video I just want to give you a quick overview of what Facebook audiences are. Okay, so in this part of the training we're going to go in all of these in detail, but I just want to give you a quick overview so you know what you're about to learn. So let's break down the three main types of Facebook audiences that we're going to hit in this part of the course, okay? So there are three main types of audiences, as you can see in green, and the first most basic one is called saved audiences. Now, saved audiences can be created using Facebook ads basic targeting tools. So this is just going into Facebook and creating a targeted audience using all of the tools Facebook make available to you, such as age group targeting, gender targeting, keyword and behavior targeting, okay? So this is cold traffic targeting that you're creating with Facebook's amazing targeting tools, all right? The second type of audience that we're gonna talk about is called custom audiences. Now, you've probably heard about custom audiences before, but I wanna give you a quick little overview of what they are. So, custom audiences are generated from traffic that hits your website. So this means every time somebody goes to your website or your e-commerce store or your sales page or wherever, Facebook records that, okay? So Facebook records every time somebody hits your website. I want you to think Google Analytics here, okay? So Facebook can track every person that hits your website, whether they come from YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, or they directly type in your website address. Facebook tracks every visitor that hits your website, and custom audiences are generated from all of those visitors. Now, custom audiences are most commonly used for remarketing or retargeting ads because if somebody has hit your website previously, that makes them a very high quality lead, a very high quality customer. They displayed or they showed interest in whatever it is you are marketing on your website. So Facebook couples all of these into an audience called a custom audience. All right, now these can get more advanced. You'll see that as you go through the rest of this training, but that is a basic overview of what a custom audience is. It is a group of your past visitors to your website. Number three, the third type of audience is called a look-alike audience. Now I know that's a mouthful, but it's actually exactly what it's called. It is a look-alike audience. So let me break it out for you. A look-alike audience is generated from custom audiences, okay? And basically what happens is Facebook will look at all of those people in your custom audience. They'll look at all of those past visitors to your website, okay? And they'll go in and say, how can we find more people on Facebook that are common, that look alike, that are similar to my past visitors, right? So what they're doing is they're trying to find red hot prospects for you based off of your past website visitors. So they're going to assess that custom audience by gender, age group, interests, and all sorts of stuff. And they're going to try to build you automatically, and as I call it, automagically, a brand spanking new bullseye targeted audience based off of your past website visitors. Now, these are used mainly for scaling your ads to hit similar audiences. So anytime I hit a plateau, let's say I'm making $1,000 a day, okay? And I want to double my sales. I want to increase my traffic. I want to scale my campaign. I'll start creating these look-alike audiences. These are people that may not match keywords that you're targeting, but show other similarities to people that previously purchased or visited your website. Now, if that sounds confusing, don't worry. When you actually go through the real module on lookalike audiences, I break it down for you step by step by step with graphics. And I promise you this, once you watch my lookalike audience module, you will know exactly what lookalike audiences are and how powerful they really can be. All right, so just remember, this course, I wanted there to be stuff for complete newbies. So anybody that's brand spanking new can learn and get started. And I also have stuff in here that gets advanced, because as you get started and you learn more, you're going to need advanced training. And that's why I wanted there to be so much stuff in this course. So when you are getting to those advanced levels, there are higher levels of marketing in here, marketing modules in here that you can come back and watch. So that is an overview of the 3 main types of Facebook audiences. Go ahead, go through the rest of the modules. You'll see modules on basic saved audiences, custom audiences, and lookalike audiences. You're gonna love it, you're gonna learn a ton, and you're gonna crush it. All right, go ahead to the next video and I'll see you there.